Alright, challenge number 2 is a lot like challenge number 1 in that you are building layers and you are going from light pressure to hard pressure and from light values to darker values. So once again, I'm basing it out with kind of my light values, and I'm kind of working with the contour, and I'm kind of working in a circular motion. The only difference with this one is that we're going to blend it out a little bit differently. We're going to use a solvent. In this instance, we're going to use rubbing alcohol. There's other options for solvents for blending stuff out, but I think rubbing alcohol is our best option. So you can see I'm starting to put in the dark values. It still needs a lot of layers, even though we're going to blend it out with a solvent. You need enough pigment on the page for it to really blend well. And I'm using white paper this time, so the white of the sphere is created by the white of the paper. So here I am with the rubbing alcohol. I'm using a Q-tip. I have in the classroom these makeup contouring Q-tips, which work a lot better because they have a finer point, but this works fine too. So you can see I'm using circular motions to blend it out. And then you'll also notice that once I blend my darker values, I'm going to turn my Q-tip around and put a little more alcohol in there and work on my lighter values. That way I'm not cross-contaminating. That way I'm not making my light values too dark. I think having the toothier paper actually works a little better. The white is a little more toothy. I did have to build up more layers and really get more pigment in there. However, I think the toothier paper kind of holds up to like the burnishing with the rubbing alcohol a little better. It's a pretty simple process though once you get all the pigment on there. That's probably the part that's the hardest. This part is easy. But that's the second challenge, blending it out with a solvent. Good luck.